What up, you guys? Tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Back at it again today. So welcome back. So today, I got some oxtails. Oxtails, you may as well say I'm the oxtail king, hands down. So today, we're gonna not just be making any ordinary oxtails. You know, everybody is out there trying that ranch chicken. I'm gonna be making ranch oxtails. So I got the Hidden Valley ranch seasoning. So first, I'm gonna hit them with about 2 tablespoons of flour, cause we're gonna brown them a little bit. We're gonna brown them a little so we can render that fat. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a tablespoon of ranch. Alright, now I'm gonna go over here and go get my pan preheated because I'm gonna brown them a little and on top of the stove before I put them in the oven. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, so I got my vegetable oil right here preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and add them in. I'm gonna put them down on the more fatty side. So we're gonna be getting a nice brown crust on all 4 sides. So stay tuned when you flip them.
Next level. Next level.
I'm gonna go clean out this pot because I'm gonna be using this to cook them in the oven. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna layer the bottom of my pot with some onions just because I don't want them directly on the pot. And then I'm putting in a little chicken broth in here just so we can get some steam for our oxtails. You know, they pretty much make their own juice. And then I'm just go ahead and add the oxtails back in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and cook them in the oven for about 4 hours on 350 degrees. Stay tuned, you guys. Hey, so 4 hours later, the oxtails are done, and I have plated them in. Just look how tender they are. Hey, they smell amazing, and I can all imagine how they taste. So I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in today, stopping out, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, go over and check out my Instagram at Southern Smoke Boss. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.